जय श्रीमन्नारायण। श्रीमद्भगवद्गीता फर्स्ट चैप्टर 46th श्लोका अर्जुन विषाद योगम। Arjuna is saying to Krishna that, "Oh Krishna, I do not want to kill Kauravas. I am just not going to carry any of my weapons. Imagine if I am not carrying any weapons in this battlefield, but Kauravas going to attack me and kill. Then it is even better for me, because I am going to be killed in this battlefield. I will go to Veerasvargam, heaven. But what happens when I am not armed, when I am not carrying my weapons? Kauravas killing me. Then with that sin, they are going to go to Ghora Narakam. That is even better for me." With this meaning running in our thoughts, let us now visualize that we are sitting in front of Sri Krishna Paramatma in the shoes of Arjuna, and Krishna Bhagavan is giving Gitopadesam to us directly. Let us chant the slokam. Yedi maam apratikaram asastram shastrapanayah धार्तराष्ट्रा रणे हन्युः तन्मे क्षेमतरं भवेत्। Om. The moral from this sloka, which we have to be practicing: do not feel happy by seeing others' pains and others' troubles. As an essence of entire Bhagavad Gita, Sri Krishna Paramatma from 18th chapter, from 65th to 69th sloka, Krishna Paramatma strongly recommending all of us to do this following. Krishna Paramatma says, "Always think about me. Keep on inculcating love and devotion towards me. Keep on transforming all your actions as a service to me, and keep saying Sarvam Sri Krishna Arpanamastu. Keep on thinking that you are my belonging. Surrender to me alone unconditionally. Mamekam Saranam Vraja. Do not cry anymore. Ma Suchaha." Keep reading at least one sloka a day from my Bhagavad Gita. Keep spreading this Bhagavad Gita among all the devotees. If you keep doing like this, you will become my most beloved devotee, and I shall liberate you from all kind of sins. Now let us respond back to Sri Krishna Paramatma, giving a word to him that, "Oh Sriman Narayana, I shall not feel happy by seeing others' pains and troubles. Oh Sriman Narayana, I shall keep thinking about you. Oh Sriman Narayana, I shall keep inculcating love and devotion towards you. Oh Sriman Narayana, I shall keep on transforming, dedicating all my actions as your service, and keep saying Sarvam Sri Krishna Arpanamastu. Oh Sriman Narayana, I shall keep on thinking that I am your belonging. Oh Sriman Narayana, I shall surrender to you alone unconditionally. Oh Sriman Narayana, I shall not cry anymore. Oh Sriman Narayana, I shall keep reading at least one sloka a day from Srimad Bhagavad Gita. Oh Sriman Narayana, I shall keep spreading Srimad Bhagavad Gita among all the devotees. Oh Sriman Narayana, I shall do as you say. Karishye vachanam tava. श्रीमद्भागवतम. नमस्कारं टू श्रीमद्भागवतम. निगमकल्पतरोर्गलितं फलं सुखमुखादमृतद्रवसंयुतं पिबत भागवतं रसमालयं मुहुरहो रसिका भुवि भावुकाः. श्री सुक महर्षि. नमस्कारं टू श्री सुक महर्षि. यं प्रव्रजन्तमनुपेतमपेतकृत्यं द्वैपायनो विरहकातर आजुहाव पुत्रेति तन्मयतया तरवो विनेदुः तं सर्वभूतहृदयं మునిమానతోస్మి. నమస్కారం టు శ్రీమన్నారాయణ, చతుర్ముఖ బ్రహ్మ, సరస్వతీ దేవి, వ్యాస మహర్షి. నారాయణం నమస్కృత్య నరం చైవ నరోత్తమం దేవీం సరస్వతీం వ్యాసం తతో జయం ఉదీరయేత్. Suta Maharshi is disclosing to Saunaka and other Maharshis, saying that, "Ho Maharshis, Bhishma Pitamaha, after he praised and prayed Sri Krishna Paramatma, he is narrowing down Mano, Vak, Drushti, Vrittibhihi, all of his attention, all of his manas and the Vak, the vision, the thoughts, entire of those things, Bhishma Pitamaha bringing down and focusing upon Krishna evam Bhagavati, focusing upon Sri Krishna Paramatma, and finally Bhishma Pitamaha Antasvasaha Uparamat left his last breath and he reached Paramapurusha Sri Krishna Paramatma. All those rishis, munis, sadhus, everyone is witnessing that scene. Sampadyamanam agnyaya. They all realized that Bhishma Pitamaha reached Sri Krishna Paramatma, and they all realized that Bhishma Pitamaha departed from that body. Then it is like Dinatyaye Vayamsiva, as and how all the birds in the nights, without making any sound, they sleep, they keep silence. So also all those who are around Bhishma Pitamaha, Sarve Babhuvuste Tushnim, they all just kept silence. And then after that, Tatra Dundubhayo Neduhu, all the people and devatas, out of so much of respect towards Bhishma Pitamaha, making an auspicious and successful sounds. Then all the sadhus started praising Bhishma Pitamaha. After that, Katpetuhu Pushpavrishtayaha, from the sky there comes so much of big rain of pushpas. All the flowers were showered from the sky upon Bhishma Pitamaha. Then Dharmaraju did all kind of final rites to Bhishma Pitamaha. With outpouring emotion, he just cried for 1 second, Muhurtam Dukkhito Bhavat. Then all the munis praised Sri Krishna Paramatma, Krishnam Tat Guhyanamabhihi. All the rishis, munis, sadhus praised Sri Krishna Paramatma with Veda mantras and great namas. After that, they all left to their own ashramas while carrying Krishna Hrudayaha, while carrying Sri Krishna Paramatma in their hearts. Everybody left to their own places and abodes. Then Dharmaraju, along with Krishna Paramatma, went back to Hastinapuram and went to Dhritarashtra and Gandhari. Pitaram Santvayamasa Gandharincha Tapasvinim. Dhritarashtra and Gandhari were there. Dharmaraju, along with Krishna Paramatma, went to them and consoled them, pacified them. After that, what happens, we will learn tomorrow. Om Shri Krishna Parabrahmane Namaha. Om Asmadgurubhyo Namaha. Krishna Rakshatu no Jagatraya Guruhu, Krishnam Namasyamyaham. Krishne Namarashatravo Vinihataha, Krishnaya Tasmai Namaha. कृष्णादेव समुत्थितं जगदिदं कृष्णस्य दासोऽस्म्यहं कृष्णे तिष्ठति विश्वमेतदखिलं हे कृष्ण संरक्ष माम्. శ్రీమద్భగవద్గీత ఫస్ట్ చాప్టర్ 46th శ్లోక. యది మాం అప్రతీకారం అశస్త్రం శస్త్రపాణయః ధార్తరాష్ట్రా రణే హన్యుః తన్మే క్షేమతరం భవేత్. శ్రీమన్నారాయణ కరిష్యే వచనం తవ. సర్వం శ్రీకృష్ణార్పణమస్తు. జై శ్రీమన్నారాయణ.